We got about 6, 7 traps out on a string. With a string, I don't know if y'all can see that. We got a string right here with some chicken up on it. And it runs all the way down where she's at. So I'm gonna show you all the crabs that we catching. It's some decent crabs. I do have my fishing pole with me, as y'all can see. I went do the rodeo yesterday. I didn't make the leaderboard yet, but it's all good. But as y'all can see, I took a decent crabs, not too shabby. That's how you do it, guys. Like I was showing y'all. Simple setup with a string, a drumette. Well, I call them a drumette, but